All right, so in this video, I'm just going to model for you how to create a Venn diagram. At this point, you should have a pretty good understanding of the English alphabet and should have completed the Ed Puzzle stuff about the Greek alphabet song and the one like speech in Greek as well. So just looking at like the Greek alphabet, when I come to make this Venn diagram, I see like alpha and beta, they look the same. So when you create this Venn diagram, you want to make sure at the top it has your two things. I'm comparing the Greek alphabet versus the English alphabet. I could even say alphabet slash language versus the English alphabet slash language, right? And so you want to make sure that when you're having these headings, they line up. So this here, this heading here lines up over this circle. And then, yeah, this heading is lining up over this circle, right? So that way, we know in the middle here, in the middle is where I would write the things they have in common. But I want to show you not just how to like write them, but also how to do them in a Google drawing. So you put a text box here in the middle. I could put in here that A and B look the same, although they're called alpha and beta. So then over here, I would say alpha and beta, and check the spelling, alpha, beta, right? And I come back over here, put another text box over here for this, and then we call them A and B, or in English, they are called A and B. So you have a difference. So that's an example of like something that's different, something that's the same. Then I could look at the language, and so I could say like what's the same about the languages, and they communicate a message. And I think back to that video, and I'm talking about this Greek alphabets. No, this one here, the Hippocratic Oath one, right? So they communicate a message. I think back to this video. So they definitely communicated a message. However, this one sounded and looked like nothing I have seen. The words didn't look the same at all. Oops. Control Z to undo that. And then over here, like when I come over here, like these letters and stuff don't look as familiar to like these ones in the alphabet, right? So it was harder to see that. I wasn't sure how they were writing it. So maybe that's like a little disconnect for me. So over here, it'd say like letters here make words that I know. Yeah. So I wasn't really sure that much about the Greek language in here. So I've made some comparisons. Just got a couple things in each section. That's how you make a Venn diagram. That's what you're going to be doing with some city states.